Get into the 2019 Kia Forte. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Give in to your craving for smooth performance and a sporty, upscale feel. This Forte was designed with drivers in mind. Agile, powerful, efficient, and packed with technology that lets you make it your own. This compact sedan helps you make the most out of every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't settle for boring when you could have exhilarating. Get into this refined and spirited Forte. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.